Right, let's talk crime. But you know, proper British crime. In RP, it's not murder. It's murder. No American growl, thank you. Try this. The criminal committed fraud after blackmailing his boss. Keep that R soft and that rhythm crisp. Not crim-i-nuhl, but criminal. Criminal. And assault, stress that second syllable. Assault. Say it right, and you'll sound like you belong on a BBC detective series, not a dodgy true crime podcast. Master your British accent before the linguistic police catch you. learningbritishaccent.com/bundle